Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, welcome back ku channel ka Gogo Patricia. Today ngizokhuluma nomuntu othi wegogo ngiphupha amaphoyisa, right? Ngimina mangiphuphe amaphoyisa kusuke kusho ithonga lami, right? And I remember there was this one time ngangiphupha ngibulala umuntu, kodwa it was self defense. Amaphoyisa ukuthi they were approaching imoto yakhona ngathi ngiyabamemeza ukuthi ayibona naba abantu bebafuna ukungibulala. I tried defending myself, kodwa bebangangiyeki, so ngisicishele bona. Even la khona lajika ngathi ngiyabamemeza bangangizwa, ngathi mangifika endlini mangithi umsamo wami ungcolile kwakunegazi. So kodwa unfortunately noma fortunately kunamaphupho laba abantu abadala, it's not necessarily about you, but kunale khehla ekhaya umsamo wanqola ngoba lo muntu wabulala umuntu, kodwa bekafuna ukungibonisa ukuthi no, it was self defense. Kodwa unfortunately idlozi lachela, idlozi langamuza, umsamo wanqola. So bekuyimpawu lezo. So wena mhlambe uphupha amaphoyisa ayakubopha, kunento wrong obuyenzile edlozini ebangazwani nayo. Uphupha nini ningengaphupha ngihleli namaphoyisa mase ngiceda ukulungisa yonke lento le. Hleli namaphoyisa sixoxa kumnandi, hey kumnandi sihleka. Then it was sign enough ukuthi sibayangizwa manje bazwile. Ene babonile ukuthi ikhehla nkosi yami, it was self defense, bayasondela, umsamo so clean manje. So make sigadeni amaphupho wethu, make sigadeni ukuthi abantu bethu ba communicate nathi kanjani, make silaleleni. Mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngihlonipha idlozi lami kunomunye umuntu, kunomelaphi. And ngiyazi ukuthi abelaphi bamanje bayithatha ngokuthi mhlambe if you don't want to do what they say or you don't listen to them, uyadelela, or you think you know too much. Cha. Mina, what I've learned is that I don't argue. You say your piece, okay, ngiyabonga. Kodwa kuzogcina ithonga lami. If ithonga lami lithi cha awuyenzi angiyenzi, I won't say to you no, idlozi lami lithi angiyenzi bese wena uthi no ayikho leyo. Idlozi lami malithe angiyenzi. Amadlozi wethu awafani. Nginedlozi lami, unedlozi lakho. Ula ukhona ngoba ulalela idlozi lakho, ngila ngikhona ngoba ngilalela idlozi lami. Angithwasi idlozi lakho, ngithwase lami idlozi. So ake silalele amaphupho ayakhuluma. Thank you so much. Hope you found this video useful. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ningakhohlwa ukushare ama video. Ngiyabonga abantwana bethongo. uNkulunkulu namadlozi wenu anandisele khanye kube mhlophe. Bayeti.